Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft Defender step by step clearly. To begin registering with Microsoft Defender, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft Defender website. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, select the option to create one. Fill in the required fields with your email address and other necessary personal information. Choose a strong password for your account and confirm it. Follow the prompts to verify your email address, if required. Once your account is created, log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will see the Microsoft Defender dashboard. Look for the Get Started or Register button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You may be prompted to provide additional information, such as your device details. Ensure all information entered is accurate. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Agree to the terms to proceed with the registration. Complete any additional verification steps, if prompted. Once registration is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now navigate through the features of Microsoft Defender. Set up your preferences for security settings as needed. You're now registered and ready to use Microsoft Defender's protection features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.